been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a keto cheesecake. First of all, you're going to need some almond meal, pecans shredded up. You're going to also need some unsalted butter, mascapone cheese, and of course some cream cheese. And you need some unsweetened desiccated coconut as well, and 1 or 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and fruit for dressing. Make sure you mix all the ingredients together thoroughly with a wooden spoon and then add your melted butter. Once the melted butter has been added, make sure then you mix again very thoroughly. Now that the mixture is all ready, you can now put it into an 8-inch or 9-inch flan, patting it down very gently with a spoon and make sure that it is all even. Now once the cheesecake has come out of the fridge, you can start dressing it with your favorite fruit, mine being strawberries and blueberries. Now it's ready to be cut and served, and I'm going to do a taste test for you, so please stay tuned. Cheesecake, blueberries, strawberries, what else could you want for? Sugar-free, low carb, keto friendly, and now I'm going to do a taste test. There is no way in the world that you could differentiate between a regular cheesecake and this keto friendly cheesecake. It's delicious. It is so creamy, nutritious, healthy, and a wonderful dessert. So on that note, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching me make this magnificent blueberry strawberry vanilla cheesecake. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I can't wait to finish this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.